Hello everyone, let's create this beautiful one-sided border hijab style for this Eid. Firstly, I'm wearing a tube cap for seamless look. If your dress has short sleeves, then wear the sleeves extender for full coverage. Now I'm wearing this beautiful one-sided border hijab style. Always fold your hijab like this to get front-pointed hijab look. Now I'm securing my hijab with this beautiful Iranian hijab pin to avoid any hijab damage. Now add layers to your hijab as much as you want. Here I'm adding 2 layers and securing with hijab pins. Wrap your hijab like this and secure it with a pin. Now take your hijab border and place it on your head and secure it with hijab pins. Voila, and it's done. So, definitely try out this look to this Eid.